so faux.
It's not faux, it's full.
Really? Welcome back to English Jam. Today, we're going to help you with the L sound.
There are two different ways to say the L sound, depending on where it comes in the sentence. We call these the light L and the dark L.
The light L sound comes at the start of words and syllables. For example, the word light or loud. The dark L comes from the end of words and syllables. For example, the word bell or real.
To make the light L sound, I'm going to touch just behind my front teeth on that bumpy, bony area right there. It's a quick touch and release.
Lead, like, learn. Remember, it's a quick touch and release, like you're ringing a doorbell. The dark L is slightly different.
Listen carefully to how I say the word feel. Feel. I'm not saying f plus e plus l. Otherwise, that would sound kind of weird.
Feel.
With the dark L sound, there's a little vowel sound that happens right before the L. It's kind of like the sound in full, like a full stomach. Here's a tip to help you pull the tongue back. Pretend that you're about to eat something really disgusting. It's the same action.
Daddy, I made you supper.
Oh, thank you so much. This looks great. What do we have? Banana, wasabi, looks like some syrup, some milk. That is fantastic. Make sure to hold the L sound. You're not pressing and releasing like with the light L. What are you doing? If you don't hold the sound, you'll end up with a vowel sound at the end, like full instead of full. L is a voiced sound, so make sure your vocal cords vibrate when you say it. Be careful not to sneak any extra vowels in right before the L, like in the word evil. It's not evil. It's evil. Evil.
It's a really common problem to say R instead of L. Be careful where the tip of your tongue is. Watch the difference between the R sounds that Daniel make and the L sounds that I make. Right, light, pirate, pilot, grass, glass.
Here's a final problem people have with this sound. They say w instead of l.
Look, Daddy, I'm licking my lollipop.
He's saying w because his lips are round. Let's fix it.
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Okay, it's time for some practice now. Repeat these light L words after me. Lion, block, laugh. Now let's practice some dark L words. Real, milk, email. Thanks for watching, guys.
And we'll see you next time.
Wait. You didn't actually eat that disgusting food that baby served you.
Daddy made supper.
Banana, wasabi, looks like some syrup, some milk.
Aren't you going to take a bite, Daddy?
Oh, right.